All right, what's up guys? Welcome back here for another recap video. Today we are finishing green, up $331 today on APM. And pre-market, I didn't think we'd see any action. You know, it didn't look too great pre-market, but I did, see APM halting up. And, I didn't get too aggressive on it. I think it was between like 200 and 500 shares on this. I think I had 1,000 shares at one point on this first dip. I was able to make the bulk of my profit there. But, overall, it was a little tricky. I did have some mistakes in there, and I definitely, I don't know. There was a couple A+ setups in here. There's a couple A+ setups. This first halt resumption was a little tricky. I actually got filled at 770 and then selling on a pullback. I was just too late to the entry, and I got filled at the high and had to cut it. But the halt resumption was a beautiful A+ setup. Halt resumption, dip, and rip setup, pulling back and then ripping through the high. And then we had the first 1 minute pullback. So nice first 1 minute pullback. Very deep pullback over like $1.50 a share on the dip, but I was able to get in there for about 1,000 shares and capture a quick 20 cents, quick $200, and then mostly just kind of small scalps from there. Here was a surprisingly very strong bounce. This was a little bit harder to time, but small gains, pretty much a smaller green day again. But these days do add up. I definitely felt like I did leave some money on the table. I feel like I probably could have pressed it just a little bit harder than I did today. But it's all good. It's all good. Pre-market wasn't showing that there'd be much, so I was already thinking going to be a little bit of a slower day today. But we did get a little window there of opportunity. We can take a look here at the archive, a couple trades for you guys. If you guys want to take a look at the full archive, the link will be in the description to sign up at MMU to access all of my archives. But here's APM. The halt setup, A+, was an A+ setup here. A+, but I was so small size. I was embarrassingly small size. So here is, we're halted up. I'm sitting red right now, $70, because I literally bought at 70 and sold at 740. Just chasing the entry. So here we go, opening, dip. I'm looking for a dip and rip. Well, that's a pretty big dip, but I'm gonna buy this. Nice entry there at 714 and out at 742. So close to a 30-cent gain. Got to do that on bigger size there, bud. Got to do that on some bigger size there. And then here's another entry. Should be right there. That split second when you see the green on the tape and it's holding the dip. We're holding. Buy and sell. Okay, great. We're holding, and boom, right there. There's green on the tape. I gotta press the buy button, baby. I gotta press the buy button for the break of the highs. So playing a little bit too passive, but I need to be in. Boom, right there. Gotta be in. And then the next trade here was nice dip. I was a little bit more confident in this dip. We were close to the halt down, so that's why I was a little bit being patient. I was waiting for a clear, an obvious starting to bounce, or a little bit of a cushion between this price and the halt down. So not getting in yet, just to avoid the halt down if it does halt down, so I'm not trapped. So I did wait for that small little bounce, getting back in here at now 709, risking 7 out there at 713. Okay, holding the low, I should be getting in there. Okay, very nice bounce there, about 8 cents on 500 shares. So it looks like I put a little bit more size on it here. Nice. Okay, 725. It's out again. Let's see if we get this push up. All right, out at half at 78, and the other half at 43. not too bad of a trade there. Now I'm in the green. Now I'm in the green, up 180. And had a couple more scalps in this area, but it did get, after this first move here, halt up, this first halt resumption, second halt resumption, this is some great trading in this area. Great trading, the dip and the rip, and then you got the 1 minute pullback, a nice push up, quick pullback, break of $8 back up to test the highs. Great. That's great trading right there. I should have made the bulk of my profit there. I should be up, I should be up like 800, $1,000 bucks. I should be up 800, $1,000 bucks. I just did not put enough size on it. And then this pullback was a little bit more challenging to catch, but it was a little bit choppy from there. We got that attempt breakout, but then we did fail and to a halt down. And that was it. That was pretty much it. I didn't trade anything else. Well, I know I did trade a lot of other stocks, but all very, break even. I didn't really like anything until APM got the halt up. So that's pretty much my day. If you guys are still watching, hit that thumbs up button for me. Hit that subscribe if you're new. Take a look here at the statistics. Just trying to stay consistent. Nice solid 4 green days this week so far. We got 1 more day left. We're going to end the week strong. So yeah, average position cost, still kind of on the lighter side. Largest winner 133, largest loss is 89. Accuracy was not even 50%. Accuracy was sub 50%. So I was losing more than I was winning today. But because of my risk reward, nice 40%, 42% profit margin. Beautiful stuff. Up 325 US dollars. That's an okay day. It's an okay day for me. I'll take it. Can't complain. I'm doing great on the week. Very consistent. We'll see what comes for tomorrow. And I do want to start pushing my size again soon. If we start to see more high quality setups similar to what we got on APM for the first few minutes after the halt. Hold on, I think it was I'm gonna sneeze. But yeah, I think we did get some A quality setups here in this area for this first couple of minutes after the halt. So if I can see some more of that, then that's going to give me some confidence to push size again. Start getting over my 1K days again to 2K days, and then trying to push even farther than that. But gotta wait for this. Gotta wait for the market to show me that it's giving A plus setups. Gotta be setups worthy of pressing this size. So it's a quick recap today. Only 8 minutes, but short and sweet is great. Hopefully you guys did well today with APM or any other stock that you guys traded. It's a little bit tricky, but if you can stay consistent over the long term, that is what matters. And hopefully, guys, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, take it easy. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. Peace.